Hello everyone, welcome to Ali Foundation. Subscribe my channel Ali Foundation and click on bell icon to get every latest new update. Don't skip this video, watch it till end. Without wasting time, let's start. The father of modern chemistry is Lavoisier. A pure substance can only be an element or a compound. Okay, which one among the following compounds has same equivalent weight and molecular weight? NaCl, sodium chloride. The most abundant metal in earth crust is aluminium. Next question. Which one of the following is not an element? Option C. Silica. An alloy is a mixture. Name the scientist who stated that matter can be converted into energy. Einstein. Next, sodium carbonate crystals lose water molecules. This property is called efflorescence. Next question. The law of constant proportions was in enunciated by Proust. Proust. The best standard of atomic mass is carbon 12. Next, 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. One carbon credit is equivalent to, and attention lesson C, 100 kg of CO2. The product of equivalent weight and valency of an element is equal to atomic weight. The number of atoms constituting a molecule is called atomicity. Milk is a mixture. Air is option C, mixture. Next, which one is the pure element? Sodium. Which one is the compound in the following? Right answer relation C. Ammonia. Diamond is an element. Next, if there is 1 million Mg2 plus ions in MgCl2, how many chloride ions are there? Option C, 2 million. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of a compound? Composition is variable. Which of the following is a mixture? Gasoline, liquid petroleum gas. Right answer option D. Both B and C. A mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated by right answer option B, sublimation. Next, in known element, the mixture number, maximum number is of metals. The most abundant element is right answer solution C, nitrogen. Which one of the following is are the examples of chemical change? Sourcing of milk. Right answer solution B, 3 only. Next, the mass of one atom of hydrogen is approximately in option C, 1.6 into 10 to the minus 24 gram. Next, the total number of electrons present in 18 ml of water. Density of water is 1 gram per ml. Right answer will be option C, 6102 into 10 to the power 24. What is the percentage of oxygen in Al2SO4 whole 3? Right answer will be option C, 53.1%. Miss metal is widely used in manufacture of which of the following? Right answer option C, cigarette lighters. Next, which one of the following is not a mixture? Mercury. Next, among the given nutrients, milk is a poor source of vitamin C. Oxygen and ozone are allotropes. Next, which of the following is an element? Silicon. Next, which one of the following mixture is homogeneous? Methanol and water. Which one of the following substance does not have a melting point? Glass. How many electrons are there in Na plus? 10. Next, which one among the following is the heaviest? 1 mole of sodium atom. How many moles are there in 140 gram of Si? Atomic mass of silicon is 28. Answer will be option A. 5. Which one of the following elements is the poorest conductor of heat? Lead. What is the element present in urea? C. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. And element X forms an oxide X3. What is the valency of X? 6. What is the number of P atoms in 1 mole is P4. Option D 2.409 into 10 to the power 14. How many atoms are present in ANH4? NH4 whole to SO4 molecules. 15. In 540 gram of glucose, the number of moles present are 3. Which one of the following laws explain the formation of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide from carbon and oxygen? Law of multiple proportion. Next, who among the following proposed that atom is indivisible? Dalton. Which one of the following carbon compounds will not give a sooty flame? Hexane. When a solid is heated, it turns directly into a gas. This process is called sublimation. Next, number of moles in 128 gram of SO2 will be 2 mole. Which one of the following is not a chemical change? Freezing of water. Next, which one of the following is the most characteristic property of an element? Option D. atomic number. Next, what is the number of atoms in 46 gram of sodium 23 n equal to Avogadro constant? Right answer relation C 2n. What is the maximum number of states of matter? 5. The molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98. If 49 gram of the acid is dissolved in water to make 1 liter of sodium solution, what will be the strength of the acid? Option B 1 normal. Next, if the valency of aluminum is 3 and that of oxygen is 2, then the chemical formula of aluminum oxide is option C Al2O3. Next, the mass of one molecule of oxygen is. Right answer will be option D 5.3 into 10 to the minus 20 gram. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel Ali Foundation. Click on bell icon to get every latest new update. Thank you for watching.